that I don't want to do this, but I want the money. That's what a job. At the end of the day, that's what the job is. I'm there to make money.
I don't think that jobs have to inherently be exploitive, though. I don't think they all have to exploit people. I think that people can profit from their own labor while also profiting the person they work for. I think that it's possible. I think that it's possible not to exploit people while also profiting, but I think that they want more profit and more profit. They want too much profit. Does that do you get what I'm saying?
I do, but I think that takes.
I think it's possible, but
it takes a great deal of something, a great deal of something,
unselfishness,
and knowledge and wisdom.
Well, it's the same difference, right? Like you gotta learn things to like learn how to be unselfish.
But you gotta know also know when and how to share what you've learned.
I don't disagree with that necessarily, but you have to agree that billionaires cannot exist without exploitation. Period. If you don't agree with that, then I don't know what to tell you.
Billionaires now, but I mean.
When did billionaires exist before now that like existed without exploiting anybody?
Probably, but okay,
because before
never. But can there? Will there ever be? I'm looking to now. Could there be? Could there be a billionaire? You know, give it like another 1,000 years. Could there be a billionaire?
Maybe if we're exploiting robot labor and nothing else.
Would we be out living in space by then? Would we be the Jetsons?
Well, you know, Elon Musk wants to move people to Mars and enslave them, basically.
Oh, we haven't moved much further.
He said that he said that people who can't afford to move there can go there and just work off of their time. And I'm like, that's indentured servitude. That's slave labor. But okay. Don't mind me, Elon Musk, whatever.
His name's pronounced Elon.
I'm sorry, but even in sci-fi, slave labor is slave labor.
I was in another a group, by the way, and they were talking about Elon Musk. They were being mean about him.
He's such a good person. Elon Musk is awesome.
I know, right? And they were saying that he's stupid and he wants to enslave people on the moon.
They're jealous. Yes, they're jealous. You're always gonna have jealousy.
I was like, why would he enslave people on the moon?
I've had conversations with people from his people.
What do they say, King?
Just more about like the project that I want to do, and it's very, very fucking ambitious. I think I've told you about going to space and being tattooed in space.
Yeah, you told me.
Well, I'm sure that he'd be on board with that. He'd be like, yes, I've been involved with the first man tattooed in space. And it would be a meme, and he would love it.
Yes, you're going to find out that there are a lot of people on this site. The 80% are very envious of, like, for example, King is the most tattooed man in the world. I'm a DJ, a very successful DJ and producer.
Not the world, the UK.
The UK. Faris is a doctor. People are going to envy people that are successful in this world.
Yes.
It's horrible.
That must be why they don't like me that much.
Yeah.